purple patch. 300s in the last month. Their batting looks quite solid. They're bowling, they got one, if not the best bowler in the world. Well, there's no disputing that at the moment with Jasprit Bumrah at one end. What do they do with the 45 crores? Or no?
Yeah, I think they've been renowned over the years for their analysis, the level of depth when it comes to diving into the data, and I think today will be no different. You obviously have high quality in the players that they've retained. They've pretty much boxed off leadership, experience, and almost most departments. You know, they've never notoriously spent a great deal on spinners. They like value when it comes to finding their spinners. So I'd probably see them finding another opening partner to take away some of the responsibility from Jasprit. Obviously, he's on a different level when it comes to the role that he fulfills. But whether they'll go back to, say, a Jofra Archer or look for a premium buy in a local again, I'd be very surprised if they do. I'd probably envisage them going for an overseas seamer in order to take that role away from, say, taking the new ball, because they like to bring ball in the back end of the power play and then almost when the game needs changing or closing out, go to him. So somewhere around aiding that bowling line.
Yeah, well, Mumbai don't have a lot of money to spend. They got 45 crores. But will they use their RTM card for an uncapped player? They have one. And that's something that we asked on the glance polls as well. So which of these players is Mumbai most likely to RTM? Anshul Kamboj, who just picked up a 10-wicket haul in the Ranji Trophy quite recently, 10 wickets in an innings. Nehal Vadera, Naman Dhir, would you pick one of these as an RTM choice?
Yeah, I probably would. I think, Ken Walsh is the one that everybody's talking about, but he's very much a new ball bowler. And I think Mumbai always love the left arm seam of the overseas quick. So if they've always got the left arm quick opening, which is either a bolt or a start, I think they'll go for. Then I'm not sure much of a role with the new ball. That power play. So therefore, I think Madeira could well be a good fit. And then, as I said, they can fit in at least two, maybe even three overseas players in their bowling line. I think that's potentially the way they'll go. But they do have options. All three of those are pretty even in that quiz. And I think they'll call that pole. And I think they'll
Bolt and the owners are just coming in for the Mumbai Indians. They will be looking to get some nice value buys in the first half of the auction. Let's move on to one of your former teams next, and that's Kolkata Knight Riders, both of your former teams. And in fact, if they're given a choice for KKR, it almost feels like they would have been happy to just retain the entire squad from the entire 11. Riku Singh is the highest paid player here, 13 crores. 12 crores each for Narayan Russell and Varun, and two uncapped all-rounder. One of them is Ramandeep Singh, who just made his debut in South Africa, and Harshit Rana has made his debut in the Perth. What are you prioritizing on for KKR? Oh, well, multiple things. I think they need a nice solid wicketkeeper back, and they have to go with what are the options available. There's plenty in the market, but they certainly want to go back to Phil Salt, but will they be able to get Phil Salt, and what price are they willing to spend for someone like Phil Salt? And that position, right, as an opening batter position with the ability to keep as well. So are they keeping between 10 and 12 crores for that spot? And then if not Phil Salt, going for the Indian people, domestic people who will back to going back to kind of for runs, because I think they're looking for continuity. They've learned from the mistakes that they've made in the past, and they're looking to continue. And the fact that they pick such a group of players as retention, I think they and MI probably have made the best retentions in this IPL so far. And so I think they will look at that wicketkeeper spot, and they look to get a couple of fast bowlers in there that can do the job for them. Because the spin's kind of taking care of the likes of Varun Chakravarti and Sunil Narayan. So they don't necessarily need a spinner, they need the fast bowlers to kind of aid the other two that they have right now in Andre Russell and Ashika. Well, there are lots of gaps for KKR, very few gaps for KKR. But what they need is a good gap in a captain. Instead of asking these gentlemen, right? We ask Venki Mysore, the CEO of KKR himself, who is the next KKR captain.
So now you have to let us in a little bit lost. Okay. Is KKR going to the auction looking for a captain? No, it's interesting because they retained 6 players.
Ah!
I would venture to say that, I mean, it really said it, say all 6 have leadership qualities, so you never know. So it could be from that group, it could be something else. So we'll wait and see what happens.
Don't want to give away too much.
Absolutely nothing at all.
Ah!
The first 2 sets of marquee players were SRH and Comment. But we have a lot more to discuss on this mega auction live special on the other side of this break.
Ah!
The performance this quarter was very. The secret to a promotion is drinking 3 liters of water daily. Yeah, I take my health very seriously.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Back to mega auction night, continued by total pay less than 20 minutes away before the bidding war begins. It's a good time actually, worth at 5, 6, and 7. And this is a team that's got that sorted. The captain is a big box as well, and Shubman Gill. Sai Sudarshan is another good young player. That's 69 crores. What's their priority? I think runs at the top order, some power. I think the top order, I think got some work craft by feeling utilization and high volume players, but probably don't provide that impetus. So I think they need some overseas talent that are going to provide real power through the middle. And then they're only got the song where they're going to go with Shani. And they look to the right to match that. Or they're going to look for, some other domestic talent from Poland to complement Rashid Khan. So whether they look to Noor again as a potential right to match. He's the future, he's the post-Rashid Khan mode, but really interesting to see which way they go. Whether they go top heavy with overseas power players, or they stack the whole, which potentially is over the park. So Shami or Noor could be potential RTMs for the titles with 69 crores that should be lost that one. But could be the for it. Could be the captain. What are their priorities in this auction? Yeah, probably for me, it is a captain. I probably also use for a captain just simply because he's tried it before on the international level and handed it back for the West Indies in the role that he didn't particularly enjoy at the time. And I'm not sure if that was because of the on-field challenges or the off-field challenges, but I believe that they will be in the hunt for a captain. It's a massive blow when you lose. Yes, you're captain, but a big name player who scores a huge amount of volume at the top of the order. And with the style that they've played with in the last couple of years, I think it'll be.
I think the obvious one, you need fast bowlers to support. Cummins there at the top of the order when he goes out and bowl. You see a clear definition of the team that have done retention well, and this is one of those teams as well. They sorted out their batting, they're looking for a solid bowling style. Mumbai a lot of gas in the tank still there. So I think SRS will be looking for bowlers and good ones at that. Another team looking for bowlers. Maybe go make it in March. See the Rajasthan Royals. And
I'm going to go to you, Mike, because I know you love your notes. With 41 crore, can you finish an entire squad of 12? Now it's a 12 with the impact player rule. You've got 5 batters. None of them can go. Maybe Riyan Parag can roll the arm over a little bit. You've got 4 overs of Sandeep Sharma. I know you need to find that at 41 crore.
I think quite easily. You've got overseas players, and I think that's where you have to be smart